Hey there, fellow iPhone users. Are you grappling with Wi-Fi issues like slow, disconnected, or dropped Wi-Fi on your iPhone? Hello friends, I'm Carly. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 troubleshooting solutions to get your Wi-Fi back on track. So, let's dive in and get your Wi-Fi issues sorted. So, let's watch the video till the end. Our first straightforward move is to turn off Wi-Fi Assist. This simple setting stops your iPhone from switching to mobile data automatically when Wi-Fi connectivity is slow or poor and disconnecting. Tap on the Settings app like the gear icon. Then tap on the Mobile Service or Cellular section. Swipe up, Find, and turn off the toggle beside the Wi-Fi Assist. That's it. The second beneficial solution is to turn off networking and wireless settings. This setting stops your iPhone from using your location services. This process resets your wireless functions. Tap on the top iCard and video description to watch the full video on your iPhone's customized control center. Unlock your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Then turn off Wi-Fi and tap Turn on Airplane Mode. Go to the iPhone's home screen and launch the Settings app. Swipe up until you see the Privacy and Security section. Then go ahead and tap on Location Services. Find the System Services section and turn off the networking and wireless toggle. The pop-up may ask you to confirm turning off the location for networking, and wireless may affect Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and ultra-wideband performance. Tap on the Turn Off option. Then, you need to force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone. Then, release your finger and wait until your iPhone restarts. Now, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and swipe to select Privacy and Security section. Then, tap on Location Services and tap on System Services. Turn back on the networking and wireless toggle. After that, go to the Control Center and turn off Airplane Mode. Now, turn on Wi-Fi. If you're not connected, open the Wi-Fi settings from the Settings app. Select the network and enter the password to connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network, then check if it's working. That's it. The third effective solution is to change DNS. In this method, we move from local DNS to public DNS server. It significantly improves the overall internet speed and performance on your iPhone. Launch the settings and tap on the Wi-Fi section. Then tap on the I button next to the connected Wi-Fi network. Swipe up and tap on the Configure DNS setting. If it is set to automatic, switch to the manual option. If you see DNS servers, tap on minus and select delete to remove the previous one. After that, you can add a new DNS server by tapping Add Server. For example, I'm going to use Google's public DNS server. So, enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 as DNS servers. Launch any browser, such as Safari or Chrome, and check if the Wi-Fi is working on your iPhone. If you want to add another DNS server, check the video description. The fourth feasible solution is to turn off content and privacy restrictions. Please note that content and privacy restrictions do not interfere with Wi-Fi connectivity. However, restrictions may be set to block particular websites and services. So, we need to turn off the restrictions and check whether Wi-Fi is working. To do so, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, swipe up and tap on Screen Time. Again, swipe up and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions under the Restrictions section. Make sure the toggle beside Content and Privacy Restrictions is off. That's it. If there is a network issue, try the fifth efficient solution. Forget Wi-Fi and restart. This process may remove your ability to join the forgotten network. Launch the Settings app. Tap on the Wi-Fi section. Then tap on the I button next to the network name you're having trouble with and tap on Forget this network at the top. The pop-up may ask you to confirm the forget process. After that, restart your iPhone and try to reconnect. You need to enter the Wi-Fi security password and tap Join to reconnect to the same network. Go to the Internet Speed Test website and check. If the speed is low, then move to the sixth advantageous solution to reset the network settings. This process resets your cellular settings and saved Wi-Fi passwords only. Don't worry about your data saved on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on the General section. Swipe up to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on the Reset option. Multiple options are available here. Tap on Reset Network Settings. If you have enabled Screen Time Passcode, your device may ask you to enter it. Here, I am entering my Screen Time Passcode. Then tap on Reset Network Setting to confirm. Your iPhone restarts automatically. That's it. The seventh favorable solution is to check for software updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest software version. Software glitches and bugs can sometimes cause network issues. So, launch the Settings app and go to the General section. Then tap on Software Update. Wait for a few moments until your device checks for software updates. If your iPhone shows an up-to-date message, then skip this step. If the update is available, tap on the Download Now button. Make sure your iPhone has enough space to download the update. If none of the previous solutions work, remember that you're not alone. The last reliable solution is to contact Apple support. Visit the Apple support website and get assistance from the Apple support experts via call or chat. You can also visit the Apple Authorized Service Center by booking a Genius Bar appointment. Tap the top iCard to watch the full video on the How to Genius Bar appointment at the Apple Store. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.